Good afternoon, everybody. Here we are going to debate the next topic. The topic is the legalization of marijuana for recreational use will have a positive effect on society and the environment in Mexico. The teams are the following. Team in favor is confirmed by Samuel and Emiliano, and team against is confirmed by Carla, Johansu, and Andrea. Now I'm going to explain the rules of our debate. Our debate is going to consist on 4 stages. Stage 1 will consist in team in favor speaking first. It will have 2 minutes to say its team line and the first half of their argument. Then team against is going to have also 2 minutes to say their team line, review the argument of team in favor, and also say the first half of their argument. Then we're going to pass to stage 2. Team in favor is also going to start with 2 minutes to reaffirm their team line, rebut team against argument, and also set the second half of the argument. Team against will also have 2 minutes to reaffirm their team line, rebut the other team's argument, and say the second half of their argument. Then we're going to pass to stage 3. In the stage 3, teams will have 1 minute to prepare. Each team will say a major question to the other team, and the team the other team is going to answer it. Team in favor will start. They will have 1 minute to ask their question, and team against will have 1 minute to answer it. Then team against will have 1 minute to ask their question, and 1 minute will be given to team in favor to answer it. Then we're going to pass to stage 4. Each team will have 1 minute to prepare their conclusion. Team in favor will start and have 2 minutes to say their conclusion, and team against will also have 2 minutes to say their conclusion. Well, now we are ready to start our debate. I will have the times for each section and each stage of the debate, and I'm going to give a 10-second warning when the time of each speaker is going to end. So if everybody is ready, we can begin the debate. Is team in favor ready to start? Okay, I'm going to give the word to team in favor, and when you are ready, I'm going to start your time.
Marijuana works as an analgesic, chronic patient. Thank you. That has schizophrenia or migraine. It works with the neurons and reduces pain, and also it reduces 25% of mortality rate on patients that are recovering from surgery. Thank you.
Your time is over. Thank you. Now it's time for team against to respond. I give the word to you.
Marijuana was legalized in Mexico. Thank you. One of the main arguments in favor was that it will benefit small farmers and indigenous people, improving their income and life quality. Nevertheless, California
Your time has ended.
Uruguay legalization. Thanks.
Carla, your time has ended. Thank you. Now we're going to pass to stage 2. Team 1, you can take the word.
Would increase outdoor projection systems at CFG. If cannabis is grown outdoors without artificial lights, there will be little to no effect on the environment, said from the officer of Dutch Passion.
Your time has ended.
Okay, thank you.
Now, team against are going to give their arguments.
Thank you. Introducing volatile organic compounds called terpenes that when they are mixed with nitrogen oxide and sunlight, it forms ozone degrading aerosols.
Your time has ended. Thank you. Now we're going to pass to stage 3. Both teams are going to have 1 minute to prepare their major question for the other team. So now, team in favor, make your question for the other team.
accommodating situation of the country and the most feasible solution that we can find for it.
You have 10 extra seconds. Do you want to add something to the question?
No.
Okay, now team against, you have 1 minute to respond.
Okay. They needed to adhere to the drug structure. Also,
You
the
have 10 seconds to finish.
regularization of natural resources and the use of environment should be restrained by legal system and the mechanisms. Putting in danger the health of the millions of people and our shared system is not the answer. Thank you.
Thank you for your answer. Now it's time for the team against to make the question. You have 1 minute.
Shared environment.
You have 35 more seconds. Do you want to use them to add something to the question, or do we follow with the answer?
You can follow the answer.
Okay, now team in favor, you have 1 minute to respond.
And a structure that is affecting every sphere of our human well-being.
Thank you. Now we're going to pass to stage 4. Both teams will have 1 minute to prepare their conclusions. Well, now team in favor will have 2 minutes to say their conclusion. I give you the word.
And environmental spheres. Thank you.
You still have 1 minute for your conclusion. Do you want to add something, or do you want to leave it like that?
I'll leave it like that.
Okay. Now it's time for the team against to say their conclusions. You have 2 minutes.
Thank you.
Carla, you have still 1 minute for your conclusion. Do you want to add something, or do you want to leave it there?
I'm going to leave it like that.
We have reached the end of the debate. We have heard very good arguments, very good rebuttals, and we all have heard different ideas. Thank you, teams, for all your words. Thank you for the respect you had during the debate. I think we had a very good experience. Thank you all for being here.